it's Sam. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I have a really exciting thing planned for you guys. As you read by the title, I am giving away an iPad Air. It is the new one, and I'm doing it with my friend Ashley. Now before you skip to the end of the video, I'm telling you all the rules and everything you need to do to enter right now, so stay tuned. So the first thing I want to say is this giveaway is going to run from today, the day that it's posted, until December 22nd at 5 p.m. This is just because we want the video to get out to as many people as possible so you all have a chance to enter, so that is why we are doing that. With that being said, there are a couple of rules that you guys have to follow in order to enter, but I promise they are super simple. So the first thing that you have to do is subscribe to both mine and Ashley's YouTube channel. Her channel link will be down below in the description box. The second thing you need to do is follow us on Instagram. My Instagram will be right here and Ashley's will be linked down below as well with mine. The third thing you need to do is go like the picture that was posted on Instagram about the giveaway and comment your favorite holiday season on that picture. And the last thing you need to do is comment down below on this video just telling me your Instagram handle so we can contact you if you win, and comment your favorite holiday season because I love talking about the holidays. With all that being said, that's all you have to do. If you want to have a bonus entry, you can tag 3 friends on the Instagram picture, or you can share this video. The last thing I wanted to say is please only subscribe if you are genuinely going to say subscribed after. I'm only saying this not because of the numbers, but because we want to give back to someone who genuinely supports us. So we're going to be picking the winner based off of who is active on both of our channels, and that's just to be fair to all of you. I don't want to give it to someone who doesn't actually support us, just because that's not the point of the giveaway. The point of the giveaway is to give back to our supporters so that we can continue to do these in the future. So just keep that in mind. I would really appreciate it if you're only here for the giveaway and you're not actually going to support us, that you don't enter the giveaway just because you're not going to win, and I don't want to waste your time or get your hopes up. So just wanted to put that out there as well. But if you just found this video and you think you would love our content and anything like that, you're more than welcome to enter. And I hope you guys understand, we just genuinely want to be fair to our supporters and be able to give back more and more throughout the year. So with all that being said, that's all you have to do to enter. I showed you guys in the beginning of the video the iPad. The iPad is so nice. I have the iPad Pro and I actually want the iPad Air now so bad because it looks so nice. But that is what we'll be giving away. Again, it ends on the 22nd at 5 p.m. and the winner will be announced on Instagram. As for the rest of this video, I'm probably just going to be vlogging my day, taking you guys around with me. And yeah, if you want to stay and watch the video, I would appreciate it. But if not, thanks for watching this part of the video and I wish you the best of luck. So I just got these new 'Tis the Season Get It Done little journals from Lauren Doan. I actually got 2 because one of them I'm giving away to one of my friends for Christmas just because I thought they would really like it. So I just wanted to show you guys these because this is the new journal I will be using for to-do lists and everything like that. I think her to-do lists are so nice, so these get me inspired to actually make the to-do list. So I wanted to show you guys that in the beginning of this vlog, and I also wanted to show you guys this candle. I have been lighting this candle so much. It's called Christmas Velvet and it's from Target. I literally love it so much. I'm actually going to light it right now and do a to-do list for today.
My hands are getting cold. I really need to wake up. I've been stolen from your world, dealing with a breakup.
So today is actually Black Friday, so it's the day after Thanksgiving, and I woke up at 7. I went to the gym already at 8, which is why my hair was wet in the beginning of this video because I just took a shower. I have to work at 12 p.m. until 5:15, which isn't that bad. Usually they're 8-hour shifts. I have to upload a video, which I actually already did. It was my cleaning out my closet video, so I'll have that linked down below if you want to watch it. I really suggest watching that video because I really liked the way it turned out. It's my brother's birthday today, so I have to go to his birthday dinner if I get out of work on time. I have to edit and possibly upload this giveaway video as long as I get the iPad. I'm supposed to pick it up today. I'm just waiting for Target to text me and tell me that it's ready. So I just made my to-do list as you guys saw, and I wanted to come on really quick and just say thank you. Yesterday was Thanksgiving and I didn't post a video yesterday, so I wasn't able to say this. Even though I said it on my Instagram, I wanted to also say it on my YouTube channel. I am seriously thankful for every single one of you who supports me in any way, whether it be watching my videos videos, subscribing to my channel, commenting, liking a video, even disliking a video. Thank you for being here. I genuinely love you guys so much, and I'm so appreciative of every single one of you, and I just wanted to say that. I hope you all had a really good Thanksgiving if you did celebrate it, and if you didn't, then I hope you had a good Thursday. But I just wanted to take a minute and tell you guys that, because I feel like sometimes it's not said enough, and I always want you guys to know how thankful I am for you guys. I appreciate you so much, and I love you all to the moon and back times 1,000. So with all that being said, right now I am just waiting for Target to text me. It's currently 11:15 and I didn't get the text yet from Target, so I'm just patiently waiting because I have to go to work at 12 and I don't know when they're going to text me, so I'm probably gonna have to pick it up after work. I don't know if you guys saw that in the clip that I just put in, but it's 63 degrees outside in New Jersey, and today is Black Friday, so it's November 27th, and I just want to say that's crazy. Usually in November it's really cold around here, so I'm not used to it, which is why I'm wearing a sweatshirt and I'm literally sweating. It's 11:20 right now, and I'm still stressing out about this iPad because I don't know when I'm gonna pick it up. It was supposed to be this morning, and then they didn't text me, so I'm waiting for them to text me, and I know that as soon as I get to work, they're gonna text me, so I might ask my mom to do it for me so that I can upload this video tonight. But if not, I guess I'll go right after work so that I can pick it up and then quickly edit this video. Just got the iPad. I'm so happy that I was able to get it. So I am going to be posting this video tomorrow, actually, just because I feel like it's too late. But it's the iPad Air. I'm so excited. I am going to apologize for the lighting right now. I just got out of the Japanese hibachi place that we went to for my brother's birthday, and I didn't eat anything because I actually have a presentation that I have to do that I forgot about. So I went for a little bit. I went for like an hour, but I just ordered food to get delivered to my house just because I have to go present something, and I didn't want to order food just because I wasn't sure what time the food would actually be ready. But I did get to watch some of the food being cooked, so I will include that clip right now.
Yesterday there was sun and there was rain.
So yeah, that was cool to watch. I really liked how he did like the happy birthday with the fire in the background. I thought that looked really cool. When he wrote the letters on the grill, that was supposed to stand for happy birthday, so I thought that was really cool, and I think my brother liked it. He really likes hibachi, so that was cool. And now I'm going to go present for one of my classes, and then I'm going to watch the movie Elf. I love the movie Elf so much, it's not even funny. Like, I literally love it, so I'm so excited to watch that. Comment down below your favorite Christmas movie, because I love Christmas movies. I just finished watching Holiday a couple weeks ago. I loved that movie. I thought it was so good for like a Christmas movie, but I think Elf will always be my favorite Christmas movie. I'm sorry about the lighting. Cars keep passing. There's just like weird lighting angles and I really don't like it, but I wanted to film this before I presented just in case I didn't have time to come on when I got home. But that's what I'm doing, and I will update you guys in a little bit. Alright, I know the lighting is bad again. I'm sorry, but I needed to come on here. It's now 10 p.m. When I started my presentation, it was 7 p.m. and I needed to tell you guys that that presentation was so bad, it's not even funny. For the first 15 minutes of the presentation, I was talking about the wrong class without realizing it. How does that happen? I don't know. How does that happen? I literally do not know. I can't tell you. I was looking at the slides for that class and I was reading my notes from a different class, thinking it was that presentation because I have to present for that class as well. I kid you not, when the professor stopped me and said, "What are you talking about?" I almost started crying. So then I asked him so many times to redo my presentation at the end because I did not want to get a bad grade on it. And he was like, "Yes, I understand. It's okay. Don't worry." So I redid it. I'm literally so mad at myself. Like, how does that happen? I literally don't know. And now I think I'm not going to get a good grade on my project, and I'm really upset about it because this presentation was like a lot of my final grade. So I emailed my professor and told him what happened. He seems to understand, but I hope he doesn't hold it against against me in my group. I feel so bad. I don't know how this happened. I know he's the type of person that won't hold it against the whole entire group, so I'm thankful for that. But I don't know if he'll hold it against me. I really hope he doesn't, but if he does, it's my fault. I messed up. I guess I have to deal with it. Right now, it's literally so late outside, but I'm going to Target. They close at 11, and I need to get something for their Black Friday deal, and it ends today, and I need to get it for my mom for Christmas, so I'm going there really quick. And then I'm gonna end the vlog most likely here, just because I don't want to vlog in Target. I'm just not in a good mood right now because my presentation went so bad, so I hope you guys understand. But if you guys like the video, be sure to give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content from me. Also, enter my giveaway if you want to. You don't have to, but if you want to, enter it if you want. And with all that being said, thank you guys again for watching. I love you all, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.